look at the hole. Holy
I know.
shit. It was a plane? It was definitely a plane?
They said a 737 plane. Steve.
Think that was a suicide?
If that was a terrorist attack,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's on. You know it, right?
I don't know, guy.
Everything's fucked up.
I just thank God my mother's on vacation. Holy. And you notice something? The flames are getting lower and lower, guy.
Yep.
They're slowly going down the building.
That building looks like it took a major hit.
It did. It's a plane.
God damn it.
That building's never gonna be the same again. How
do you bring that building down?
You can't. You gotta implode it.
You can't even implode it. It's too high. You gotta dismantle it from the top.
This is unbelievable. This whole city's shut down.
Really shocking.
You saw it happen, Harry? You heard it? What happened?
I heard it. Well, I heard the plane go.
Yeah, you heard that, right?
You think that was terrorist?
Sounded like it flew right by the building, and some guy said it flew over right in front of the building.
You think that was a terrorist? Terrorist attack?
I don't know. They have some guy on the phone who said it was either a 737 or an Airbus. He witnessed the whole thing.
An Airbus?
Yeah, and
no, an Airbus is too big.
No, but the thing is, when I look out the window, there were flames shooting out.
I saw that. Damn. That building's gonna fall, isn't it?
That's unbelievable. That is unbelievable. What? Yeah, 15 some more. Yo, tell Harry to get more, yeah, don't put it through, I guess my bed. Holy shit, Martin.
Oh!
That's the other building. That's terrorist.
Other building?
That's terrorist, bro. That's fucking terrorist.
Holy shit!
Oh my God.
That's terrorist, bro.
They just shut another. Did you get that?
I zoomed out on it. We gotta get the fuck out of here? We have to get out of here. Heck, this is a terrorist attack. Heck, that was another plane. Bro, 2 planes just flew into the World Trade Center. It's a terrorist attack. I don't have no signal at all, man. No signals?
Nothing.
I got to get in touch with the signal on the guys.
I'm sure she's getting out.
Why don't we get a signal? I had signal upstairs. Don't go back in. Don't go back in. Well, don't go back in, man. We can't even get in touch with Hector, Freddy, anybody.
Everybody's using it.
I don't have a signal though. I should have a signal. You have it? This won't even work, bro. Do you have a signal on your phone? Do you have signal? You have a signal on your phone?
Signal?
Yeah, you getting signal?
No.
Yeah, it must be the main tower has it over there. No signal, right?
Hell yeah.
At least there are like 10 floors right apart.
Bush better act. You better act today. You better act today. This president better act today. I'm telling you right now. You know what I'm saying, Steve?
I don't know, man.
Marines, whatever. go.
Yeah, but where? Where?
They know exactly where. It's all because of Israel. Oh, shit! Oh!
You know how many people are dead? Do you know how many people are dead? Do you know how many people are dead?